Welcome to day 48 of our leadership journey, where we're diving deep today into one of the most powerful tools in leaders' vision. You know, when it feels like that you're part of something bigger than yourself, that's where we're really going to be talking about today. The art of leading with vision. How can you transform you and your team? Think about great leaders who have inspired you throughout your life. What set them apart wasn't just their ability to manage tasks or handle day-to-day operations. It was their capability to see beyond the present and to paint a compelling picture of the future. They didn't just tell people what to do, they showed them where they could go. Vision is more than just a buzzword or a fancy statement hanging on a wall office. It's about driving the force that gives purpose to every decision, every strategy, every action that your team takes. When you lead with vision, you're not just directing traffic, you're guiding people toward a destination that really truly matters. Let's break down what leading with vision really means in a practical terms. First, let's think about clarity. Your vision needs to be crystal clear, not just in your mind, but how you communicate it to others. It should be something that you can explain in simple terms that resonates with everyone on your team, from the newest hire to the most seasoned veteran. Second, your vision must be compelling. It needs to spark something in people's hearts, not just in their minds. Think about it. People don't give their best for a spreadsheet of a quarterly target. They give their best for something that they believe in, something that makes them feel a part of a meaningful journey. Third, let's think about this. This is crucial. Your vision must be connected to reality. While it should stretch people's imaginations and ambitions, it needs to be grounded in what's possible. The best visions challenge people to grow and achieve more, but they don't need to set them up for failure with unrealistic expectations. Now, let's talk about how to put this into practice. Start by taking time to really develop your vision. Ask yourself, what does success really look like in 3, 5, 10 years from now? And what impact do you want your team, your organization to have? How will you know when you've achieved what you set out to do? Once you have that vision clear in your mind, start sharing it, not just in formal presentations, but in everyday conversations. Weave it into regular communications. Help people see their daily work connects to that bigger picture. Make it a living, breathing part of your team's culture. Be consistent in how you communicate your vision, but be flexible in how you help your different team members connect with it. Some people are inspired by numbers and matrix, and others stories and emotions. Your job as a leader is to help people see and find their own connection to the shared vision. Remember that leading with the vision isn't one time, it's an ongoing process. You'll need to reinforce it regularly, especially during those challenging times when it's easy to lose sight of the bigger picture. Use the setbacks or the obstacles as opportunities to remind people why your destination is worth the journey. One of the most powerful ways to strengthen your vision is to celebrate progress toward it. When you see examples of your team living out the vision, highlight them. Share stories of success, no matter how small they are. Those moments will help make those visions more tangible and achievable in people's minds. Be prepared for the skeptics. Be prepared for those doubters. Not everyone will immediately buy into your vision, and that's okay. They might have a valuable insight that could help you refine and strengthen your vision, but don't let skepticism derail your commitment to that bigger picture. As you develop your leadership vision, stay connected to your core values. Your vision should reflect not just what you want to achieve, but who you want to be as a leader in an organization. It should inspire not just growth and success, but also positive change and meaningful impact. Make sure your vision evolves as a team. Circumstances change. While the core purpose might remain consistent, the path and the achievement to getting there might need to adapt. Stay open to feedback and willing to adjust your approach while keeping the destination clear. Take time regularly to reflect on your vision and how effectively you're communicating it. Ask yourself, my actions, are they aligned with my vision? Am I making decisions that move us closer to our goals? Are my team members also able to see and understand the connection between their work and our larger purpose? And as we wrap up today's session, I want to encourage you to take action. Spend some time this week reflecting on your leadership vision. Write it down, share it with someone that you trust, get their feedback. Start looking for opportunities to weave it into their daily interactions with your team. Remember, leading with vision isn't about being a better leader. It's about creating something meaningful in your current role. It's about inspiring others to see the possibilities that they might have missed and empowering them to achieve more than they thought could be possible. Thank you for joining me today on this exploration of the visionary leadership. Keep pushing forward. Keep inspiring others and keep your eyes fixed on the horizon of what's possible. Until tomorrow, lead with purpose, lead with passion, and most importantly, lead with your vision.